In today's video, we'll talk about how to build your first $100,000. It's not about earning more, not about stock picks, not even about being super disciplined. It's about doing a few smart things over and over again. I've worked in banking for 12 years. I've seen hundreds of people reach six figures, and the same patterns show up every time. The first one: don't rely on discipline. Discipline fades. It disappears when you're tired, stressed, or celebrating. That's why wealthy people don't depend on willpower. They build systems. They set automatic savings. They put bills on autopay. They keep emergency money in a separate account. And they delete shopping apps. So money moves without thinking. That's how wealth grows silently. Now here's something many people miss. They think, I'm doing well, I got a raise. But when income goes up, so does spending. A little nicer restaurant. Another streaming service. New clothes. Savings don't go up. They often go down. Here's how to fix it. Each month, divide your spending into 3 parts: essentials, fun, and future you. Essentials are your rent, bills, groceries. Fun is eating out, hobbies, shopping. Future you is savings, investing, paying debt. Just 20 minutes a month. Look where your money really goes. It will surprise you. Next, let's talk about impulse buying. A study in 2023 said over half of people delay big goals because of small, fast purchases. In the moment, impulse feels urgent, but it fades fast. So I follow one rule. If I want to buy something I don't need, I wait 24 hours. No exceptions. If I forget it, great. It was just a feeling. If I still want it the next day, I think it through. That one habit saved me over $15,000. It also trained my brain to stop before spending. Now let's see what happens when you invest. If you keep $10,000 in a regular bank account for 10 years, you still have $10,000. Move it to a high-risk savings at 3%. You get about $13,400. Invest it in a good index fund at 7%. It grows to almost $20,000. Same money, same time. But one small choice makes a huge difference. Start with your employer's retirement account if they match. That's free money. Then build a savings cushion. After that, invest in low-cost index funds. And here's the final part. You can only save what you earn. You can cut some costs, but not forever. Income, though, that can grow again and again. Ask for a raise. Switch to a better job. Use your skills to freelance or consult. Start a small side project. Your income is your strongest wealth tool. And it's the one you control most. So let's bring it all together. Build simple systems. Track where your money really goes. Pause before spending. Put your money where it grows. And don't forget to grow your income too. These aren't hard things. They're small steps, done every month. Thousands of people have built their first $100,000 with these habits. And so can you. If this helped you, send it to someone else. And subscribe for more real strategies that work. Because your future self is already waiting for you. to make that first move today.